The 2013 Honda Civic. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.